Cheers. Bye.
Yeah, I have not looked at myself all day. I only had one client today. As you guys saw, it was my cousin. Her hair turned out so good. I'm obsessed. Hi, I'm driving, and you know what? Yesterday I did not record very much of my day, and I'm sorry. And same thing today. I have had crazy busy days. Yesterday and today both have been incredible, very insane. So I'm just getting off work. It's like 7 right now. I'm heading to my boyfriend's dad's house right now because he's helping do flooring. I'll pop in there. I'm trying to go home and shower and finish up my day because your girl is tired. It was a long day. I'll throw in some pictures. You guys can see some of my clients from today. I didn't get pictures of everybody, and I got like no pictures yesterday, but yeah, there's that.
I literally just walked outside and got a rain drop right on my forehead. I look crazy today. This is what we're walking with. Look at my dishes. I got all the dishes in the world. The sun is just now reflecting off of my station on the floor. It looks so good. But I'm officially done with hair for the day. I have an eyelash extension set coming in. I gotta clean up all my stuff in here, and then I'll set up for lashes, and then that'll be the end of my Friday. Just look how peaceful my station looks. Love it. Honestly, for Friday, today wasn't that crazy, and I'm super happy about it. We had a really good day today. So then tomorrow, I have prom updo for the girl I did lashes on yesterday, and then I have a consult, free consult tomorrow morning, and then that is the end of my week. It's actually been a decently slow week for me, but I wanted to record this week just because I knew I had at least every day booked off here, so at least you guys could see like my outfits, my makeup, whatever. And this week I definitely did not try at all. I was so in my comfort zone. We had like a rainy-ish, half sunny week. It's been like rainy most of the days, and then like the sun will pop out at some point, like right now. So I have just been wearing comfy clothes basically every single day this week to work. And if you guys want to see another video like this one, let me know and I'll show you guys cuter outfits, cuter makeup, and yeah, I'll try and get better with recording because I have like a hard time remembering, especially with my clients, to record like before and afters and everything for you guys. But I definitely got a good bit of footage and everything for the work that I put in this week, so hope you guys like it. Also, I have posted on here before and said it's usually in my description box. Whoa, Almost dropped my phone. But you can follow me at my beauty page as well, and then that way you'll be able to see my work if you guys are interested in hair, makeup, and all that fun stuff. I'm about to just do these dishes out here in the shampoo bowl because it's kind of easier to like spray them out. I'm the only one at the salon right now. Well, actually, Grace, our nail tech, is here. But besides that, it's just me in the hairdresser room. Okay, so I just peed, finished up my last client. I already cleaned up my lash station. I didn't have much to put away. I can take my mask off. It's Friday, it's a beautiful day out. My boyfriend, I'm gonna go meet up with him for pizza. And that's like the best news all day because I've been wanting pizza all day. So, yeah. And basically, I just want the most chill Friday night ever because the girl's tired. I had such a long week. I got plans for tomorrow, along with just like a little bit of work like we talked about. My hair looks absolutely crazy. I literally look like a rat. I'm probably gonna pull my hair up in a bun before I leave. I'm trying not to wash it. I think I said that in one of my last few YouTube videos. My nails are completely stained, absolutely ruined as well. Totally don't mind them. Yeah, clocking out on a Friday night. I was gonna go make a return at Target. I don't know if that's gonna happen yet. But if it happens, we're probably gonna get like cold brew and snacks or something. But yeah. Bye. Bye. Okay. All right, we're leaving. It looks like a light switch is still on because of the sun, but. So I just got out of Target and I came to Target because I had a couple of returns to make. I was telling myself like I'm not about to spend any money. There she is right there. Yeah, I was telling myself I wasn't gonna spend any money, but then I made my returns and I got like $45 back, and I saw some clothes that would look really cute worn to the airport, so I got them. Want to see them? Okay, first thing I got are these like jogger pants. If you could feel them though, like no lie, so good, so amazing. They're so soft and like thin, but I always wear like pants to the airport or like a long dress so that I'm warm because I'm like always cold on the plane. And these are just like that perfect thin stretchy ribbed material, and these are jockey pants in case you want a pair, or at least go check them out. Target, they were $22. I got a size small. They were in like the jammy / gym workout clothes section. I was kind of debating between these and something else, and then I was like, this is something I would wear all the time. Like, if you know me, sweats, comfortable, yeah, you know, the whole deal. So I love them. I'm obsessed. Let me show you what else. Okay, this one. There's so much commotion going on outside of my car right now. Okay. This is like a overall set thing. This little one piece is so good. It's like pants, it's jogger material, tank top up top. If you can picture it, you know what I'm saying? I thought it was really, really cute, and it wasn't the first thing I saw. It was the second thing I saw. The first thing I saw, this shirt. And I was like debating between getting the shirt. I was like, I don't know. And then I came across this like jumpsuit thing, like one piece. And I was like, the shirt underneath that though would be banging. So we got it. I don't even know if I'm keeping all this. Like, I'm gonna go home, try it on and everything, and then I might return it. So knowing that that was in my head, in the back of my head, I was like, I'm buying it, and then we'll just see. If it doesn't fit, I'll bring it right back. Like, the outfit that I returned just now, I literally was so obsessed with it. I tried so hard to wear it. It was just way too big. And so I kind of felt like I needed to like replace it. It was a skirt and like a skimpy little crop top, but they didn't have anything in there like that I liked. So I just saw stuff like this, which is something I would wear all the time. to the salon, you know. And then the last thing I came across were these leggings. Yeah, they're neon orange, but they were on sale for $9.80. And look at the bottoms. The bottoms are like tie-dye, and I think I have a sweatshirt that matches this color really, really well at home. I don't know, I just saw stuff and I was like, I'm getting it, life is too short. And I stopped and saw Chance. We had pizza and everything, and I didn't record anything, I'm sorry, but he's still working with his dad at his dad's house, so you know what, I'm gonna head home. I might even sit down and try and edit this video. I'm absolutely exhausted. Like, what a week, and it's not even over yet. It's not even over, and it's just been crazy. I just got done with work. Look how beautiful the scene is behind me right now. I just had to show it to you guys, so I'm holding my camera like this. My client turned out beautiful. It was prom. It was so good. Then I had a consult this morning that went so good. Beautiful. This week was super productive for me. Like I said, it's really hard to record everything. Like, it has to be my main priority. I like really have to remember to even record in the first place. So I can definitely do better. If you guys want to see more of like clients and more of my work, then let me know. Like this video, subscribe, and I could definitely make more videos like this one. I'm trying to stay super productive right now because we leave for vacation in a couple weeks, so I'm really, really excited, and I want to get more videos recorded before then. So whatever you guys want to see, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon.